Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Coming at you at the end of this vlog. This is not what the space looks like, but I just wanted to do a little intro. My parents came to town for the weekend and we got a lot done. But I'm in here gonna finish up odds and ends. But we'll just hop right into the video, okay? So subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for being here. Here we go.
Put it up.
Yeah, Pepe put a hole in it. Oh, good spot for a window, huh? So much accomplished, almost all the walls done. I just have a couple little pieces to do. That's what I'm gonna do now. Roan's down for his nap, got a podcast on, made some coffee. We're gonna do this drywall, trying to make the most of drywall. If you've ever done drywall yourself, you know that it's about the worst thing to do. But I'm trying to, like, you know, watch my videos. I'm gonna do it well. Major improvement since last time, but so grateful for my parents. We just zoom through stuff when they're here. But it's really just small stuff now. Mudding. We're just focusing on the bedrooms right now. I don't care about the kitchen. I just want to get the bedrooms done so we can get moved into the bedroom. So I just gotta mud the drywall, put in the insulation in the ceiling, which Dylan's gonna do since I'm pregnant. Surprise, surprise, if you haven't seen that video, I'm pregnant. It's crazy. With a girl. It's a girl. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. But anyways, if you want to hear more about that, that's what my last video was about. And yeah, I've got everything wired. I did all of the electrical myself. I'm very proud of it. It's not hooked up to the box or anything yet, but it's ready to go. I'm gonna put in ceiling fans, and yeah, I'm excited. I better get started before he wakes up because you never know how long you got. So here we go. Guys, I am about to paint these walls. It has taken me so long to do drywall, just having to do it during nap time and when Dylan gets home, if I have any energy left at the end of the day. I hate drywall. This is not my first time doing it, but this is my first time doing it alone and trying to do it well, and I completely give up. The fact that it has taken me this long to do one room and we have an entire house left is terrifying. It literally makes me want to cry, and I did cry yesterday finishing it out of rage because I just don't care anymore. I don't care if there's a little divot in the wall. I don't care. No one is gonna ever be in here except for me. And so I give up. And so now I'm just gonna throw the paint on the wall and call it a day because I'm done. So things that aren't perfect are like this. These dents in the wall. Or the freaking corners. I'm still gonna go through and sand these. I haven't sanded them yet because they don't seem completely dry. But simply no longer care and I'm over it. So I'm gonna paint. I watched some YouTube videos on painting also, just to see, you know, if I can improve, and they influenced me to get an 18-inch roller. So we'll see how that goes. Double the coverage in half the time. We love that. When I went to Lowe's, I was getting insulation and paint and a whole bunch of other stuff. I had a big flat cart. Something like hit the insulation and it hit my 2 gallons of paint off. They spilled all over the floor. A can of paint, a primer, not paint, just primer, $24. This used to be $11 when we did the cabin. It was $11, now it's $24. So, that's great. Alright, first coat. A little disappointing. Definitely gonna need a couple coats here. Alright guys, we've got 3 coats it took to cover the drywall. Wasn't too impressed with that Kilt's drywall paint. I had to do 3 coats, but it's done. I just need to do the corners. This room is primed and ready for installation, ceiling, these dogs. All right, so I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back next time with some more to-dos on this reno. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time.